We are proud to be here today at the launch of our new range extension for the Mechatronic range. So we have a full for all the big 7 Euro 6 AdBlue pumps and injectors. Karlis and the team have been working hard to give this range extension, gone through full test and validation. We believe it'll be a big sales for our customers.
These are actual maintenance items in the sense that they need to be exchanged every once in a while. And that is because mainly of the AdBlue crystallization effects that are happening inside the pumps, inside the injectors. They're leading to blockages, which are leading to insufficient pressure, incorrect spray, and then afterwards the AdBlue crystallization inside the SCR system. So, proud to introduce this new product range extension.